Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you designing your garden and would like to have a bird feeder that can accommodate your sunflower seeds so that you can attract a wild bird into your garden? Would you like to transform your dull-looking backyard into a haven for birds? We have a unique bird feeder. We would like you to know about the Pineapple Bird Feeder Sturdy Iron Mesh Black Powder Coat. This is a beautifully made bird feeder that has a pineapple design which will surely attract any nearby birds in your location. This item is suitable for sunflower seeds and has a sturdy iron mesh. This bird feeder has a black powder coat finish to withstand the elements in your chosen location and also includes a solid steel hanging rod. This is ideal for your garden, lawn, patio, or yard. Here are its technical specifications. Dimensions are 7 by 7.5 by 12.5. Weight is 2 pounds. Design is pineapple. Finish is black powder coat. The leafy top slides up the rod for easy filling. Don't wait any longer. Buy the Pineapple Bird Feeder Sturdy Iron Mesh Black Powder Coat today at a very affordable price and see it that you can lively up your garden. This bird feeder can also be a great gift to your friend or loved ones who has a garden. Surprise them with this item. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.